The last topic, maintenance. We seen the different types of product maintenance system. There one is total productive maintenance (TPM). Second one is autonomous maintenance. This is also be clear. We finished in the last class 7 step autonomous. Initial cleaning, source containing the hard to reach area, standard of cleaning and lubrication, general inspection, autonomous inspection, standardized autonomous maintenance operation, and autonomous management. Initial cleaning and initial inspection and registration. This is one step that will detect problem of the lives and restore the original state. Start managing the live autonomous in the bracket. For example, 5 years of housekeeping, minor stops, quality, and autonomously. Creates perform temporary cleaning, lubrication, and produces source of contamination and hard to reach areas. Solve source of contamination, hard to reach areas, cleaning, inspection, lubrication. These are the all steps in the autonomous maintenance. Okay. Standard cleaning and lubrication. Develop tentative standard for cleaning, lubrication, and inspection. General inspection. Provide training of their equipments, products, and materials, inspection scale, and other M scale. Autonomous inspection, develop a routine maintenance standard by operation. Means these are the routine type. All you have to inspect the machines, you have to clean it, remove all oil, grease, whatever, and you have to apply the new lubrication or new grease. This type of maintenance. Standardized autonomous maintenance operation, the standardized routine operation related to work place management, such as the quality inspection of product, life cycle of jigs, tools, setup, operation, safety. So basically, autonomous maintenance means what? Maintenance first step is it is required to be cleaned. All machine यहाँ पर हम पहले clean करें, clean असपद है, clean dust के foreign matter that should not be mixing with the systems. So whatever the foreign matter the contamination part polluted biological matter that you have to remove it. You have to maintain the fire concept. Remove all the old thing and then apply new grease, lubrication, whatever. Maintenance, the most important maintenance is cleaning. You have to maintain very clean then autonomous management, autonomous teamwork working. This is a routine maintenance. So autonomous this is general type. At the routine maintenance, what are the basic routine things of your body maintenance? Example, routine maintenance means early morning you wake up, you are doing a brush to your teeth, take bath. Okay, this is the routine type. Then you had your breakfast, then coming here, attending, then you are having your lunch, during lunch time, then tea break, evening time, then dinner, and you are taking the sleep. These are the routine of your body maintenance. In addition, whatever the frequency means quarterly, my annuity inspection for hair cutting, body checkup, some other. But this the routine means daily routine tasks. For your bike, routine maintenance what? You have to fill the petrol regularly. Time, without petrol, your bike will not run. If it is a battery operated bike, then it has to be regularly, you have to put for charging. So this has a technology, mobile phone. What is routine maintenance for mobile phone? Same, it is required charging. So this is the what is the routine maintenance. So in order to get trouble-free service from the productive equipment means you don't have any trouble. Trouble means class up as service very free as per streamline as per then you have to do this type of maintenance. The following activity is necessary to carry out, that is lubrication, periodic inspection, adjustment of various parts, and cleaning. These are the points applicable for the machines. But instead of machine, it might be a computer, laptop, or a mobile phone, or your bike. Step may be similar, but the whatever the operation will be little bit changed. But it a concept of the same thing. It has to be trouble-free. Service should be trouble-free. It has to be continuously operated. Break down the point. All the above maintenance operations are carried out while the machine is running or during pre-planned shutdown. So this type of maintenance may prevent breakdown of equipment. So this is a very good maintenance system. It is routine maintenance. If you do the routine maintenance 100% correctly, there will be a 0% breakdown. If you thoroughly check all equipment and you have maintained everything routine, there will be a no this thing. Hello. What will we have? Okay. Lubrication, periodic inspection, uh, adjustment of various parts and cleaning. These are the routine steps. If you do the maintenance, routine maintenance, there will be a large chances of breakdown. Okay. This type of maintenance may be prevent breakdown of equipment. Routine maintenance should not interfere with the production schedule. Planned preventive maintenance, PPM. PPM, the full form is what? Planned preventive maintenance. More commonly referred to as simply planned maintenance, that is PM. Mostly, if you go in the industry, all if you further study for management school and this all short form you should know. Called PPM. Now the PPM is what preventive maintenance machinery, and PM is preventive maintenance. The schedule of maintenance is any variety of the schedule maintenance to an object or item of equipment. Specially, planned maintenance is a scheduled service visit carried out by a complete and suitable agent to ensure that the item of equipment is operating correctly. Therefore, avoid any unscheduled breakdown and downtime. You understood? So, therefore, avoid any unscheduled breakdown and downtime. Along with the condition-based maintenance, planned maintenance compromise the preventive maintenance, in which the maintenance event is pre-planned and all feature maintenance is pre-programmed. So planned maintenance is created for every item separately according to the manufacturer recommendation or legislation. So planned maintenance is created for every item separately according to the manufacturer recommendation or legislation. So plan can be database based on equipment running hours or on the distance traveled by a vehicle. Easier planning of maintenance and ordering space. So if you maintain this step, it is if you do the routine maintenance, it is easy to you can order your spare parts before only. So what is the bearing number? You can note down and you can order and pre-plan and keep in the store. If there is a breakdown, you can replace the bearing. So these are the advantages. Plan maintenance is created for every item separately according to the manufacturer recommendation legislation. Plan can be database based on equipment running hours or distance traveled by the vehicle. This is the best example of bike or car. If it travels so many kilometers, there should be a maintenance, routine maintenance. 10,000 kilometers, you have to replace the oil, you have to replace the oil filter, you have to replace the air filter, you have to replace the crank, your starting torque belt, routine. You have to check your brake pads. These are the routine maintenance. Or our car servicing or your bike or servicing, kilometers, these are the routine maintenance. You have to replace it. So easier planning of the maintenance and ordering the spare. Costs are distributed more evenly and no initial cost for instrument used for the suspension of equipment. So no initial cost for instrument used for supervision of equipment. So here cost distributed more evenly means suddenly there will be no load of too much burden on the machine on the management. If you regulate some amount, some spare inventory already, you can replace it at the same time. Suddenly more and suddenly new order, there will be a budget problem. Okay, cost will be more. So no initial cost for the instrument used for the supervision of equipment. So plant maintenance has some advantage over condition-based maintenance, that is CBM, such as easier planning of maintenance and ordering space. So plant maintenance has some advantage or condition-based maintenance. There are CBM, that is condition-based, and plant maintenance. So easier planning of maintenance or and ordering space. Costs are distributed more evenly. No initial cost for instrument used for supervision of equipment. Now there are some disadvantages also there. There is less reliable than equipment with the fault reporting associated with the CBM. Means condition-based maintenance scale to me. Suddenly there are some less reliable than equipment with the fault reporting associated. Fault reporting बरे असतो बेस्ट काढला रिप्लेस केलं. There are some mechanics are best duration घालून काढताना उडत आहे, but it is useful also. That is one disadvantage. More expensive due to the more frequent part change. So more expensive more expensive due to more frequent part change. अमके झालं म्हणल्यार काढपाक जाय मग बरोदा पार्ट्स काढून न्यू घालो, इट्स वेस्ट नो. That you have to take care. टायर जर टायर न्यू घालना तुमचे 10,000 किलोमीटर चालले, you have to replace the new tire. तो बरा ॲक्शन तो काढला न्यू घाला. व्हॉट इज दिस वेस्ट चालू नाही पैसे. Required training, investment, and ongoing labor cost. Parts that have scheduled maintenance at a fixed intervals, and usually due to the wear out or fixed shelf life are sometimes known as a time change interval or TCI item. These are the disadvantages of this routine maintenance work. So what are the routine maintenance detail? I have shown you. Total productive maintenance is also shown, then autonomous maintenance is also. Now is maintenance schedule. What are the different maintenance schedules are there? If you are working in the organization in any industry, suppose खाली industry कमा गया है और कोई organization कमा गया, or you are going to work in some hotel industry. Hotel also there is required maintenance because plant manufacturing product and service. Product and service are only two types of business. As I know. Exactly, business please let me know. I know there are only two types of business. That is, one is product manufacturing and service. Product manufacturing can be a large firm. There is a maximum large scale industry, medium scale industry, medium scale industry. Yeah, or even small by workshops also. They are distributed. So if we are going to join any scale of industry where the parts are manufactured, so there will be a maintenance department. You have to maintain it. Okay? And there is maintenance schedules. Everything has to plan as per the ISO documentation. ISO Asta Indian Standard Organization, they are checking all maintenance. And service sector, there is hotel industry, banking industry, traveling industry, okay, railway and all. What they are doing traveling, no? Traveling or hospital gives what number of beds. It's service only. Hotel industry, they are counted as number of rooms. Room or any restaurant, food services. They are service industry, many. Pharma industry, they are producing product means tablets and also different. But here you are in service industry. Now see the maintenance schedules. Any kind of action or activity, there should be some procedure and sequence. Likewise, maintenance also has some normal procedure or execute the maintenance activity without any confusion. This is any kind of action or activity means there will be action activity. There should be some procedure and sequence. Take procedures and there should be some sequence. Step as per there. Likewise, maintenance also has some normal procedure to execute the maintenance activity without any confusion. So for maintenance work also there is a sequence, steps. If maintenance is not followed by procedure, there will be a time loss and the machine and equipment will not be ready in the time. if you not maintenance is not followed by actually procedure followed केला, there will be a time loss and machine and equipment could not be ready in the time. Dinana, don't sleep, just pay attention. Vidaj, ऐकता मला की सांगतो. Next is procedure guides and maintenance people how to start, execute, where to inspect, and how to complete the maintenance in the time. The maintenance is carried out with the following procedure. So maintenance schedule has to be carried out for following procedure, that is initial cleanup, identification of fault, dismantling, inspection, identification of cause for defect, inspection and replacement, or you can slash miss or repair of spare. This is up to your decision. Reassembling, trial run, inspection with standard, and maintaining a record. So these are the sequence you have to maintain for the maintenance work. When you are doing any job, there is a sequence. You cannot open simply machine. Suppose there is a problem in your drilling machine or lathe machine. Gear, maybe there's some problem. We don't know. First, what to you have to remove. You have to clean it first. Gear box asa. Oil acid. So first step is what cleaning means. You have to drain the all oil from that gearbox. Then you have to take the diesel. If there's some gearbox between cleaning the you have to make use of diesel or kerosene. You cannot apply water over there. Water again pushpa. All once you drain all your oil, you have to put in the diesel or kerosene. All the gears you have to and clean paper. So then you have to find out the initial fault. Kiti fault level. Inspection gear tip modla, bearing gela, oil seal gela, gas shaft broke gela, shaft modla. You have to identify. So these are the things mostly running. Kiti equipment the air motor, make the gear motor, bearing motor, oil seal hoita shaft motor. It's big. Then identify a fault, dismantling. अब तो कल है सवाल तुम्हें तो ऐसे फिर कल गियर जन कल निवल केले कल जब हम पे पढ़ा मैं सवाल dismantle करता करके पर clean करता सवाल again you have to re-inspection, you have to inspection, identify cause of defect. क्या लगा मॉडल में why it is big. Then inspection, replacement, repair of spare. Inspection by replacement by new asaga point nala you have to make a new shaft or new gear. Bearing asa okay. Now bearing change you have to get it new one. Or you can repair it the same shaft. Reassembling. Parat सगळे part reassemble. New गायला part परत जोडपा. You have to reassemble. After reassemble finish. थोडं गोल्ड आसपासचे गोल्ड oil बिल गायला. Is it finished? Production is no. Another step is you have to trial run. You have to run that machine. You have to run that machine. Why? Inspection with standard. My run करून तुम्ही ते machine सारखे चलता काय ना inspect करतो. And then you have to maintain the record. It gets the record maintain करतो. Bearing, replacement all you can note down. And then you can hand over the machine to the production department. It is clear? These are the different sequence. So very common and ये standard असता है. ये तुम्ही आता normally follow करता. Then initial cleanup. Now they have segregated the same point. My elaborate cleanup सगल दिला है. They have elaborated. Initial cleanup is main machine, connected accessory, lubricant system, panels, adjustment parts are to be first cleaned. All machine has a control panel असतात. Motor on करपा, switch असता on off करपा. Temperature दाखवपा आणखी दाखवपा. There is a control panel असता. So that panel clean करतो. Machine clean करतो. Then identify fault. Fault of the machine is to be identified by visual inspection and getting information from the complaint and justify them the use. You have to take the data also along with the operator. किती मॉडल है, कस चलता है, suddenly किती झाला है, ते information. That's doctor कसं, how you take the before you are giving the treatment, you take the all you are feeding. बरोबर है. Doctor also किती झालं तुला, किती झालं, किती आपल्याला, किती खायला, संडास झालं. it take the feedback, no? Same way, you have to take the operator की सामने भी जोपा जाए, any maintenance. Then dismantling. Then you start a dismantling. The fault area is a dismantle with the referring to the manual, and all the spares are kept separate in a tray and preserved safely. Even a small nut and bolt screw काटा देना सारखे दोरपा जाए, because परत तुमके बसोपा जाए ना. Inspection all the dismantled parts such as gear, bearing, shaft, key are cleaned and inspect for any damage. Any damage breakage is recorded in the maintenance checklist. If you found some damage, you have to note down in the maintenance checklist. Inspection and replacement and repair of spares. Damage or broken spares are procured from store. Repair and the same is inspected to the standard. Reassembling, next course of action, assembling the parts in the reverse manners of dismantling work. Then you have to go for the trial run. After completion of assembly, the machine is to run first manually and all the lubrication electrical connection to be given. Finally, the machine should run on its trial run for some time and observe for any unusual sound from the machine. So, चल के थोड़ा time observe कर पाए machine चल के, whether it is producing similar type of sound or there is some maybe change in the sound. You can mid parat you have to take the trial perfectly. Inspection with standard. The machine is finally checked, inspected with geometry, accuracy, safety, hazard, etc. According to the manufacturer standard, any other recommended standard as required by the nature of the maintenance work carried. Then last step is you have to maintain the records, maintain records, all activity related to fault, attended, spare, change, etc. To be recorded in inspection report, maintenance record, machinery, machine history card, suitable for the further reference. This is very important. In a ISO manufacturing ISO company, there is a maintenance record. It model guideline. With the timing note proposal, kitna start kar the note proposal, what spare you have to replace, they have to note down, you have to sign that. On such and such a day, we have replaced all, you have replaced belt, you have replaced gasket, or you have to replace oil seal, or you replace the bearing or gear, whatever the spare you are given, no, that you have to note down and sign it. And that record will update it. I mean, time at the model, that history will be removed. You have to maintain it. So,